Right now, your iPhone is leaking. Your precise location, your camera, your search history, even the exact items you browsed on Best Buy 5 minutes ago are being handed over to data trackers. And the worst part, Apple leaves these privacy holes wide open by default. If you haven't manually changed these settings, you're basically broadcasting your digital life. Let's fix that right now, step by step. Let's open up your settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now find Safari. Tap on that. This is where we plug the leaks. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. See Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Turn that on immediately. If you don't, a quick search for a new TV on Best Buy means Facebook instantly tracks that data and bombards you with TV ads all day. Next, tap Hide IP Address. And set it from trackers. Think of your IP address like your physical home address. You don't want random ad networks knowing exactly where your device lives. While you're here, make sure fraudulent website warning and not secure connection warnings are toggled on. If you accidentally click a malicious phishing link or a sketchy checkout page, Apple will flag it before your data gets stolen. Now scroll down a bit further. See location, microphone, and camera. By default, websites can actively request to access these. Change all three of these settings from allow to ask. That way, if a site actually needs your camera for a Google Meet call, it has to ask your permission first instead of just peeking it. Next, let's stop your phone from oversharing. Toggle off search engine suggestions and Safari suggestions. Why? Because every single letter you type into your search bar gets sent to a server before you even hit search. Let's keep your private thoughts private. But here's a massive catch that most tech videos won't tell you. Tweaking these Safari settings is great housekeeping, but only protects you inside the Safari browser. The second you open Instagram, TikTok, or connect to public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, your actual IP address and personal data are completely exposed. If you want real bulletproof privacy across your entire phone without having to constantly micromanage 50 different settings, you need an all-in-one solution. That's why I partner with and use NordVPN. NordVPN acts like an encrypted shield for your entire phone. With just one tap, it completely hides your real IP address from ISPs, trackers, and hackers, no matter what app you're using. Plus, their threat protection feature automatically blocks malicious websites, spyware, and annoying pop-up ads before they even load. It handles all the heavy lifting for you. If you want to secure your phone properly, grab the exclusive deal using my affiliate link down in the description or pinned comment below. Now for the final piece of housekeeping to keep your phone running fast. Scroll to the very bottom of Safari settings. Tap Advanced. And then Website Data. Look at all this junk Google, Discord, and random sites have cached onto your phone. You can swipe left to delete individual ones or just hit Remove All Website Data. And hit Remove Now. Finally go back one screen. Hit Clear History and Website Data. Set it to all time and clear it. Do this once a month, turn on NordVPN, and your iPhone will finally be completely locked down. Drop a comment if you change these settings today, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.